Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a note on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So let's create a simple note right now. So maybe let's create a new one. So compose. The name is going to be test, and locking note is going to be in this note. So then click done, or without clicking done, you can just click these three dots right here, and then you can just click and lock the note. From the factory settings, to lock the notes are the same passcode that you use for your iPhone, or the Face ID is going to be for your for locking the notes. So the same passcode or the Face ID. So I'm going to type my passcode right now, and now as you can see the note is unlocked. So now let's lock it. Now the note is locked. As you can see, we can see only the subject of that note, but not the what it is in that note. If we want to unlock this note, we need to go into and click View Note, and now type the passcode for our iPhone. So also there's an option that you can lock the notes with another code, the different one from the passcode. And how to set it, how to set the different passcode for the notes than for unlocking the iPhone, we have another video on our channel how to do it, so be pleased to search for that video and get to know how to set another passcode for notes than for unlocking the iPhone. So this is it. This is how you can lock a note on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.